Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back, and we're going to be doing something very familiar, but I have mixed feelings about this. Let's take a look at what we're doing. So, as you know, or maybe not, I've been sick for about 6 weeks, and so we have a large stack of boxes to get caught up on. This is October's Bibbidi Box, and we also have November's Bibbidi Box. We're going to do them both today. So here's the thing. This was a tough decision for us to make, but these will be our last two Bibbidi Boxes. They're the Ultimate Magic boxes. It's been kind of irking me lately. They are more and more often using small shops to do things, which I'm totally fine with. My issue is that they're advertising Bibbidi, which I guess is fine, but I sign up for Disney boxes, and I like Disney stuff. And if I get something from a small shop, I want it to be Disney-ish, if that makes sense. I don't want something that says Bibbidi on it. And to be honest, even further, it upsets me that sometimes they're assigning the value of these items the same or higher than Disney products. For example, we received a tumbler, like a travel mug, from them, and here, let me show you the mug real quick. So, it's a very nice mug. I get that it's supposed to look like the Poison Apple. It's a very well-made mug. The small shop that made this is exceptionally good. But, so the bottom of it, that's actually molded into it. But the value assigned to this travel mug was $40. We buy a lot of Disney stuff. I know what Disney stuff goes for. And that's even steep for Disney prices, for a travel mug. So, I'm kind of over it. I don't... There are so many options out there. There's so many box companies, so many terrible ones that you've seen me do before. Walt Life, Mickey Monthly, to say those are horrible. And this isn't that. This isn't that bad. But there are so many companies out there like Magic at Your Door and Main Street Mail and even Mickey Loot that you get a better value. There's more value in the box, and it's Disney stuff. So, I don't know. This isn't going to be a totally... I hope there's some cool stuff in here. They do have a lot of cool Disney stuff, but it's just those add-ins that are obviously profiting them more that... I get it, but other companies are making money, and they're not putting that kind of stuff in. So, yeah. So that is coming up right now. Okay, are you still here? Alright, let's get started and take a look in here. I know that this is just my opinion, and a lot of people love Bibbidi, and that's one of the hard things about making this decision, is that Bibbidi unboxings give us the most views. So, I mean, it seems silly to not do it, but it's just, we're supposed to be the kind of place that tells you really what we think, just so that you can kind of get, people that are new to this can get through it all. So, if I say that I love these, I'm lying, and I don't want to do that. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Alright. First things first, there's a Bibbidi folder. And there's the packing slip inside. This is new. I've never seen them do that. So we'll wait on the packing slip. We'll do that last and see what the value is. And then there's a card in here, and this is the third card that I got like that. That's exactly the same. This one is curated by Becky. Alright. When we started with Bibbidi, we started with 3 boxes a month. We did the Ultimate Magic box, The one that was around 75 bucks, I don't remember what that one was, and then the bling box that we called the Itty Bitty Bibbidi that came with like 2 pins in it. And we scaled back to just one, and yeah. It's a bummer. I've been getting these for a year. But they do have confetti. And there's a Jim Shore in here. See, I did all this ranting, and there probably won't be anything small shop in here that says Bibbidi on it. Alright, first thing is a Disney Loungefly blind box pin. So these are Pooh, Tigger, Eeyore, that guy, and Piglet. Mary's gonna kill me for not knowing Pooh characters. Let's take a look inside. I was just gently reminded that that is Roo and Owl. Duh, I knew that. And look, we got my favorite character. We got Roo. I'll throw that on the turntable so you can take a look. Boop. Very nice. Mary is very happy. Alright. Oh, Mary's gonna like this. Get the wrapper off. Mary is very excited. Winnie the Pooh Loungefly clutch for crossbody. Very cute. It's like canvas and it's got a little pocket on the side. Ooh, the inside's cute. It says a lot of things. I'm not going to read all that. There's a lot of stuff in there. There. Very nice. See, I did all that complaining, and so far we like everything. That's how it goes. What do we have here? This is not working out the way I thought it was going to. So we have a beautiful Pooh mug. It says, "Be kind, be happy, and be you." I will throw that on the turntable. Boop. That's from the Disney park. Well, it's from Disney anyway. Tan on the inside. Very nice. And the only thing that's left is one of my favorite things, and it's a Jim Shore. Woo! I love it when a plan comes together. Okay. Ready? Alright, so this box was perfect. We don't have this one. Mary's really excited. It goes with our Tigger. So I'll throw this one in the photo box so you can check out all its gloriousness. Boop. Okay. So. October, things went swimmingly. Let's take a look at November. This one's really heavy. Feels like there's a lot of quality stuff in here. I almost forgot. Packing slip for the October box. So we pay $134 plus shipping. I will throw this up on the screen. Boop. I think that's, yeah, I think Magic at Your Door is $129, or no, $124. Maybe this is $129. It's the ultimate magic box. So, I already booped it. Jim Shore, $50. Winnie the Pooh mug, $14.99. Loungefly Winnie the Pooh crossbody. See, I knew it was a crossbody. $60. And the blind box pin, $10. For a total of $134.99. So again, so like, it really is low on value by about $20 in comparison to the other boxes that I had mentioned. So it just, when the retail value is equal to what's in here, and they still charge shipping, it just doesn't seem to have a benefit to me. Why wouldn't you just go to Shop Disney and pick out exactly what you want? I like the aspect of being surprised by things. I've said this before. I would have never collected Jim Shore until I started getting them, and now it's my favorite thing to get. So there is value to having surprises, but there's more value in other boxes. So there you go. Ready for our very last. Unless this one's awesome too, then I'll just sign back up. I don't know. November box. Ready? Oh, they knew I was being mean. The card says, "Boo to you." Alright, I deserve that. Boo to you, it's really not so scary. This box was curated by Amanda. Alright. Here is the packing slip. There's another Jim Shore. Where's my Bibbidi sticker? Oh. Alright. I see a faux pas in here. Alright. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. This one.
Stop it.
Okay. Every single preference sheet we ever write on, first thing I write is I don't like pop. It's Mickey. Luckily, the only 2 pops I've gotten so far are Mickey. But, for sure, every preference sheet says, please, no pop. But, we'll find somebody to give it to. Alright. Next up. Crap. So this is a Winnie the Pooh Tervis. As soon as I saw you, I knew an adventure was gonna happen. And it's a real Tervis. Doesn't say Bibbidi on it. So, yeah, let me throw that in the photo box for you. Boop. Very nice. That will get used. Alright, so 1 screw up. I can't be too angry. Magical Mystery Pins, Series 10. This could be Bambi Hook, Cheshire Cat, Jiminy Cricket, Dopey, or Lady and the Tramp. Nailed it. Alright, let's take a look at what we got. And it's a Bambi stamp pin. Cute. I will boop it. Boop. Alright. Then we have a Metal Earth. Oh, bummer, I already have this one. But I'll let you see what it looks like when it's put together. Boop. And again, I'll just send this to somebody else. And this really is not their fault. I don't update my preferences with things I already have. I know it's kind of goofy, but even with all the box companies that we get, this is only the 3rd repeat I've ever gotten out of all the boxes. We do 2 boxes a week. We've been doing this for over a year, so we've had a lot of boxes. And so to only have 3 things repeat, we'll find somebody for this, and no big deal. All right. Oh man, I see the picture on it. I just said I wanted to start getting more of these. Okay, so, I don't know. Get whatever box you want. I don't know. Don't take my word for it, because all this stuff is pretty cool. So, that's amazing. Maleficent Snow Globe. I was just telling, so we set up our Christmas decorations yesterday, and we put a couple snow globes out that are Disney, and I said, man, I really wish we had more snow globes. And so, of course, I'm complaining, and I get one, and it's really cool. So I'll throw this in the photo box. Boop! Check that out. Wow. That really is very nicely done. And of course, you know, with any Jim Shore, he puts his patterns on things, and I'm not sure how well it's gonna show up in the photo box, but her whole back is covered in his Jim, you know, like the crazy shapes and stuff. It just is beautiful, and she is the I don't know if you'll be able to see this either, but the dragon is inside of her. She's reaching around it, and there's a castle down below. It's really detailed and very cool. So yeah, I don't know. I guess cool stuff, man. So let's take a look at the packing slip. I will throw this up on the screen for you. Boop. So, Disney Parks Mystery Pin, $6.99. Metal Earth, $21.99. Jim Shore, $80. Funko Pop, wah, wah, $11. And Tervis, Winnie the Pooh, $18.99 for a grand total of $138.97. So, I think this one is $129 and it's $6 for shipping, so I think it comes out to like $135. So the other one was a little bit less than I paid. This one was a little bit more. Again, I could just buy this on Shop Disney. It really makes a difference to me to get that extra $20. The last Magic at Your Door we just did, our last video, the box is $124. I think we had $148 in the box. That's a big difference. So, I mean, if you're only getting one of these boxes, we get a lot so we can show you guys. But if you're only getting one box for your family, it makes more sense to me to get one with better value. That's just my opinion. And I'm trying to free up. So recently we used to do 2 Magic at Your Doors. We did the gold and we did the bronze. We dropped the bronze, and we're still going to be trying to do 2 videos per week. But we're going to try different boxes. We're going to expand out. We've been kind of stuck in a rut a little bit with, like, between snack and merch boxes, we do like 6 or 7, something like that, every month. And then little bonus ones on top of that, and sometimes people send us some for free. But we want to reach out. We want to start getting some from Tokyo as soon as the shipping frees up, because there's so much cool merch that comes out of Japan. We want to try some more stuff like that. So I feel like I've done this enough to get a good feel for it. And while the curating is really good, they definitely, well, aside from the pop, and that may just have been a mistake, but and I've never had a mistake like that before from them. So I'm not just here to bash them. I think there's other options that are better. Does that make sense? So there you go. And I may go back to it, because I mean, companies change over time. We let go of Walt Life for like 6 months and went back, and yeah, it was still crap. So canceled that right away again. I don't know. So that's what we're doing. If you would like to take a look at our last video, which was Magic at Your Door, you can click on the button right here. And if you would like to subscribe to our channel that is super confusing, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.